In the video you are about to watch, the disassembly of the DPA 2535 bidirectional gear pump will be demonstrated. Remove the plastic plugs and securely fasten the pump in a vise. Remove the 8M10 bolts that join the body and the cover. Using a hammer, gently tap the cover to remove it. Remove the short gear and aluminum spacer remaining inside the body. Use a press to remove the long gear and aluminum pressure plate, which are tightly fitted into the cover. Thank you for watching.